How to use Pinterest to promote your business. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss: using Pinterest to promote your business. Pinterest is not just a platform for DIY enthusiasts and recipe hunters. It's a powerful tool for businesses to increase brand visibility and drive traffic. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to harness the full potential of Pinterest for your business. Let's get started. Now, before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. Pinterest is a visual discovery platform with over 400 million active users. It's an ideal place for businesses with visually appealing products or services. And here's why you should consider Pinterest your business. As you can see, the number of Pinterest users are huge and impressive, and they continue to grow. Now, let's explore how to set up your business presence on Pinterest. Step 1. Setting up your business account. Now, in order to promote your business, it's crucial to have your Pinterest business account. So if you have a personal account, the first thing you need to make sure is to convert it to a business account. You can simply tap on a profile, go to settings, tap on account management, and click on convert to business account. Creating a business account is straightforward. Just follow the steps we have demonstrated, and once you have your business account, let's move on to optimizing your profile. Optimizing your profile includes adding a profile picture, writing a compelling bio, and including a link to your website. Your profile is your digital storefront. Make it visually appealing and informative to attract potential customers. Now, let's move on to the heart of Pinterest. Step 3. Creating eye-catching pins. To create visually stunning pins and enhancing the quality of your pins, you can try using tools like Canva or Pinterest's own design features. Pins are the currency of Pinterest. They should be visually appealing, informative, and relevant to your business. Don't worry, you don't need to be a graphic designer to create pins that pop. Next, step 4. Content strategy and pinning. Consistency is key on Pinterest. Plan your content calendar and pin regularly. Also, don't forget to engage with the Pinterest community. You can try commenting or sharing the pins once in a while. Step 5. Analytics and promotion. Pinterest provides valuable insights into how your pins are performing. Use this data to refine your strategy and reach a larger audience. And now, last but not the least, step 6, which is collaborations and advertising. Collaborations and advertising can turbocharge your Pinterest marketing efforts. Consider these options as your business grows. Try collaborating with influencers once in a while, and also consider Pinterest advertising options for additional reach. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use Pinterest to promote your business. But remember, success on Pinterest takes time and dedication. So be patient, stay creative, and watch your business flourish on this visually captivating platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.